Today we will present one of the most famous Slovenian traditional delicacies, potica.
Usually Potica is made for holidays such as Christmas, New Year and Easter, but also for birthday parties, weddings, family gatherings or just as a dessert.
The first mention of potica del poetica goes back to the 16th century, when it was recorded in the first book ever printed in the Slovenian language. The main ingredients are flour, milk, eggs, raisins, rum, lemon, walnuts, cinnamon, whipping cream, butter, yeast and sugar.
Now we will show you how to prepare Potica.
Let's start with yeast dough. It must be prepared in a warm room. First we have to mix flour, salt, yeast, sugar, milk, eggs and butter in proper proportion and order.
Next, the dough needs to be covered with a cotton cloth and left in a warm place to rise. In the meantime, we prepare the filling. More than 80 various types of fillings are known. The most popular filling is made with walnuts and raisins, which we are preparing today. Finally, we roll out the dough and spread the warm filling over it. We must roll it tightly and put it in a greased mold and leave the potica to rise slowly. Before baking, we cover the potica with a whisked egg.
And now we'll bake this for 1 hour in this beautiful oven. Now we are waiting and waiting and waiting for the potica to be baked. it's delicious.
Buon appetito.
Hiba roka haula.
Guten appetit.
Buen provecho.
Добър тек.